Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to tell you about one of an absolutely insane product that is basically going to help you make artificial intelligence videos in any language and for any niche in any time period, and eventually you are able to make some money. Let me give you some more details about this product. Couple of months back, artificial intelligence photos was on a hype. That was also very well in terms of making money. But eventually what traffic wants is to watch something in real. And yes, it's also the best way to save your product and show your customer, and you have more chances to sell the product and make some money. Nowadays, it's so trending to make reels and shorts on social media. So why not to make some artificial intelligence videos of your own, or maybe for your clients, or maybe for some of your friends or family members without showing your face on the camera. All you have to do is to clone yourself with the text you want to be there in. In another fun way, I must say that there's a time has come that you can turn yourself into the actual robot. Now let me just take you to the sales page of this product, from where you can get some more details, and if you want to purchase this product, then you can instantly have it. I have attached the link of this product in the description of this video. You can go check in there and grab the product. Now let me just take you to the sales page of this product, from where you can get some more details, and if you want to purchase this product, then you can instantly have it.
This is the sale page of the product. Once you click the link that is given in the description box down this video. Click this button, get instant access to AI clone, and grab the product. If you scroll down the page, you will get some more details about the product and the vendor and all other the success stories related to this product.